everyone. Today my year 9 student requested me to make more videos on year 9 topics. Let's start a new topic, bearings. Bearings. You should know a few things about bearing. A bearing describes the direction of one object from another. A bearing is an angle measured from the north in a clockwise direction. A bearing can have any value from 0 degree to 360 degree. A bearing is always written with 3 figures. What is the meaning of that? Bearing you have to write down in 3 significant figures always. Bearing can take all the values from 0 degree to 360 degree, and bearing is always measured from the north direction and you have to calculate it from the clockwise direction. Also, bearing describes the direction of one object to the another object. You can use bearing in scale drawing to help you to solve the problems. We can draw the scale drawings to solve these bearing questions. Tia cycles on a bearing of 280 degree for 20 kilometers. Make a scale drawing of Tia's journey. Use a scale of 1 centimeter represents 5 kilometer. If 1 centimeter represents 5 kilometers, then how much 20 kilometers will represent? We have to draw a bearing of 280 degree. We know that the bearing, if we start from here, it should be always calculated from the north direction. If I calculated it here, this angle will be considered as 270 degree till here. And if I go more further, this will be 280 degree. Let's write down here the angle measured from the north clockwise direction. This angle is 280 degrees. I have to write down 20 kilometers because we are going here in 20 kilometers. I can't draw 20 kilometers here. They have given us the scale. 1 centimeter represents 5 kilometer. 5 kilometer represents 1 centimeter.
1 kilometer
will represent how much? How do you go from 5 to 1? Divided by 5. The same operation you have to do it here, divided by 5 here. This will be written as 1 over 5 centimeter. How much is 20 kilometer? How do you reach from 1 to 20? Multiplication of 20. The same operation you have to do it here, multiplication of 20 here. 1 by 5 multiplied by 20. If you cancel it out here, this will be equal to 4, which is equals to 4 centimeter. I need to draw a 4 centimeter of line which will represent 20 kilometers. This is the line of 4 centimeter which will represent 20 kilometers. That is your scale drawing. Let's see the next example here. A ship leaves a harbor and sails 120 kilometers on a bearing of 085 degree. The ship then sails 90 kilometers on a bearing of 135 degree. Make a scale drawing of the ship's journey. Use a scale of 1 centimeter to represent 10 kilometers. First, the ship leaves from the harbor and sails 120 kilometers at a bearing of 085 degree. We should see that this is the harbor you have and this is the north direction we have. From this north direction, you are going clockwise and you are going 85 degrees. This is your 85 degrees, which is closer to 90 degree here because this is 90. If we draw the line here, how much this line will represent? I need to calculate it. When 10 kilometers is equal to 1 centimeter, how much will be 1 kilometer? 1 kilometer will be given by divided by 10 here on this direction. This is also divided by 10. 1 divided by 10 centimeter. For 120 kilometers, how do you reach from 1 to 120? Multiplied by 120. The same operation you have to do it here, multiplied by 120. 1 over 10 multiplied by 120. This will give you 12 centimeter. This line is of 12 centimeters and this will give you 120 kilometers. After covering 120 kilometers, the ship reaches at this point. From here, the ship is sailing 90 kilometers on a bearing of 135 degree. This is again your north direction and this is your 135 degree. I need to calculate it for 90 kilometers here. 10 kilometers is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 kilometer will be 1 over 10 centimeter. 90 kilometers, how do you reach from 1 to 90? Multiplied by 90, The same operation you have to do it here multiplied by 90. 1 over 10 multiplied by 90, which will give you 9 centimeters. This line is of 9 centimeter, which will show you 90 kilometers here. After covering this, the ship will reach at this point. Let's see the next example here. Two lighthouses are 160 kilometers apart. Lighthouse A is north of lighthouse B. A ship is on a bearing of 152 degree from lighthouse A and 042 degree from lighthouse B. Draw a scale diagram to show the position of the ship. Use a scale of 1:20 lakhs. This is given in the centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 20 lakhs centimeters here. I have to convert it into meter. I have to divide this with 100. Then I'll convert it into the meter. If I divide it with 100, my answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, and this will be in meters. I can reduce 2 zeros from this. If I reduce 2 zeros, my answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros I have. I need to convert it into kilometer. How do I convert it? When I divide it with 1000, then I can convert it into kilometer here. If I divide it with 1000, that means I can cancel it out 3 zeros here. My answer will be equal to 20 kilometers. 1 centimeter is equal to 20 kilometers. That is your scale right now. It shows here that the lighthouse A is north of lighthouse B and they are 160 kilometers apart. If 20 kilometers is equal to 1 centimeter, then 1 kilometer will be, how do you go from 20 to 1? Divided by 20. The same operation you will do it here, divided by 20 here. That will be equal to 1 over 20 centimeter. How about 160 kilometers? How do you reach from 1 to 160? Multiplied by 160. The same operation you will do it here, multiplied by 160. 1 over 20 multiplied by 160. If you cancel it out, this will be equal to 8, which is equals to 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter will represent 160 kilometers. As you can see from here, this is the B point, lighthouse B, and this is the lighthouse A here. A is north of B and this distance is 160 kilometers, which is of 8 centimeter. At lighthouse A, a ship is on a bearing of 152 degree. Let's draw 152 degree here at the lighthouse A. This is your 152 degree, measuring it from the north direction, and this angle is 152 degree and this is your north. Let's see the lighthouse B, 042 degree from lighthouse B. This is your lighthouse B and this one is your north direction. From this north, the ship is traveling 042 degree. This is your 42 degree here and the ship is traveling in this direction. That will be your answer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.